You must have the Application Implementation Consultant role to configure offerings. To start, open the Setup and Administration work area. This is the landing page for setting up and administering all Fusion applications. This page displays all offerings, as well as their functional areas and setup tasks. You can search for an offering by name or functional area and use the filters to find the offering you're looking for. The status indicates whether an offering is already enabled for implementation. If an offering isn't enabled, you must enable it and its relevant functionality based on your business needs and then set it up. To review the current selection of features for an offering you've already enabled, select Go to Opt-in Features. The Opt-in page displays the offering and its functional areas in a hierarchy to make it easier to identify and decide what to opt into. If sub-functional areas exist, they're displayed below their parents. Only the functionality where you have the option to opt in is displayed by default. You can remove this filter to display all the core functionality that's enabled by default. You cannot opt out of core functionality. To opt into an offering or any of the functional areas, click the switch in the Enable Status column. Before you can opt into a functional area, you must opt into the parent offering. For example, before you can opt into any of these functional areas, you must first opt into the Human Resources Business Intelligence Analytics offering. If a functional area has more detailed features you can opt into, a Go to Opt-in Features icon is displayed. The Feature Opt-in page behaves and displays features the same as the opt-in page. Features and sub-features are shown in a hierarchy, and you cannot enable a child feature without first enabling its parent. Some features have several options you can choose from. The Selected Choices column shows any choices you've already selected. You can review and change these selections according to your business needs. Sometimes a functional area or feature is shown as enabled with no option to opt in or out. This means it's core functionality that must be used. However, you can still opt in or out of its sub-functional areas and features as usual. When you're finished enabling the functional areas and features you want to use, you can start to set up the offering. For more information, watch the Set Up Offering tutorial. Thanks for watching.